Hello friends, welcome to Optra Automation. In this lecture, we are going to create a new, fresh AWS account that is free for 12 months. Yes, Amazon is providing free account for 12 months, which is a good initiative from Amazon because if you are planning to learn new technology, let's say cloud AWS, so 12 months is more than enough time period to practice all your lab environment. You can easily create your network, easily create your virtual machines, different instances, and just you can use that environment freely for 12 months. Okay, so to create that particular account, what exactly is the prerequisite? You simply need a computer or a laptop, and there must be a credit card or a debit card because Amazon is asking the financial details to just to verify your authentication. That's it. Initially, maybe when I was creating my account that time, $1 was the cost, but maybe I think as of now, uh, $2 will be deducted from your debit card or a credit card, but no need to worry. Within 24 hours, that amount will be back to your account, to your card, whether it is a debit or a credit card. So let's see how we can create that account. Okay, so simply type aws.amazon.com/free in your browser if you are using Chrome, Mozilla, or Internet Explorer as per your convenience. It will open AWS free tier web page, and as you can see, there is an option to create a free account. Just click on it. It will open a window and it is asking the email address. I already have created my account, so as of now, I don't remember any spare email ID. But if you are creating for your own purpose, you need to mention your personal email ID, like whether it is Gmail, Yahoo, any other email address. So let me give a dummy email address as of now. Okay, just give me a minute. Yes, and password is also dummy. You have to mention your password that you want to choose for your AWS account. It is not asking your Gmail password. And AWS account name, you can mention, let's say, Optra. Click on continue. The password doesn't match. Oh my God. For the testing purpose, I randomly entered numbers. Let's see whether it is matched this time or not. Whew. Let me type my super secret password. Yes, here we go. Perfect. Now it is taking. I was entering random numbers, so I don't know why it was not taking these random numbers. Maybe some password policy they have set up. All right, so now in this particular form that is contact information, there are two options, whether you want to create that particular account for professional purpose or your personal purpose. I recommend you to choose the personal because you are not doing it for any company, you are not doing it for any commercial use. You are creating that particular account for our personal use for testing and learning the AWS cloud. So choose personal. After that, fill all the details like full name, your phone number, let's say 123456789 country, India, or if you are in any other country, you can mention like US, Europe, UK. Address, mention your address, like let's say I'm mentioning Optra's address here, like Delhi, Delhi, city is also Delhi, state is also Delhi, postal code 110018. Click on the agreed terms and conditions and then click on create account and continue. Yes, this is the screen that I was discussing in the very starting of this video. Like Amazon is asking credit card and a debit card information. There is no other option to create your account. It is not allowing you to do the net banking and any other payment mode. So you need to mention your credit card and a debit card numbers. So right now I'm not creating that particular account because I have just entered everything dummy details and obviously I do not want to create a new account. Yes, it has been mentioned over there, like as a part of the card verification process, we will charge INR 2. If you are creating that particular account in India, then obviously they are going to charge 2 rupees. If you are creating that particular account in US, let's say in the location in the country. If you have chosen US, then they are going to deduct $2 from your credit card or a debit card. So make sure you have choose the right country where exactly you are, else the wrong deduction will happen in your credit card account. All right, after that, you have to simply provide your PAN details and click on a submit. Once you submit, your new AWS account will be ready to use. All right, once you have the credentials, the username and the password, you can simply log into AWS Amazon console, enter your email address that you have given while creating your account, enter the password that you have mentioned there, and that is the home page. That is the AWS console. That's it. Now we are good to go with all your hands-on labs and all the different services that we are going to learn in the next future videos. You can see in the right hand side, here is Optra automation. I have chosen the Mumbai. There are the different regions that we have already discussed in other videos. US East, Asia Pacific, Europe, Canada. These are the services that I have recently visited, but this is the entire console with all the services like compute, storage, databases, migrations, management tools, AR, VR, business, security, game development, and in the 2017, they have announced this particular thing, Internet of Things. These are the services that they have announced in the reInvent 2017. So that's it. That's it for this lecture, guys. In this lecture, we have simply created AWS free account for 12 months. In the next videos, we are going to learn the services, the core services of AWS. Like my video and please subscribe this channel so that you can easily get the latest and the recent updates, what is happening with the Optra automation. Thank you.